Sabi ng letter sender natin, meron daw siyang anak, 4 years old, at may cancer. Ano nga bang klaseng disiplina gagawin niya, Tita A?
Letter sender, kapit kamay tayo dyan ha. I am also a mother of a cancer survivor. Yung anak ko ang may sakit, gusto ko ibigay lahat. Gusto ko ibigay lahat sa kanya. Natural yun eh, yun ang natural feeling ng parent. But yung sa'yo, gusto mo ibigay na lang lahat ng gusto niya and gadget, toys. But you also know at the back of your mind na hindi pwedeng parating ganon. So I think what we have to do is to advise the mommy to talk to the child about schedule. Siguro ang lahat pwede i-schedule. You can tell your child na, oh anak, yung oras ng laro, gawin natin from 10 to 12. Tapos mamayang hapon, after your lunch, after your nap, pwede pang may playtime ulit. 4 to 6, something like that. I don't know what's going to work for you, but you just have to talk to your child about schedule. Lahat naman tayo may schedules, no, Tita M? You have a schedule, si dad may schedule, gigising ng 6, pupunta sa office ng 7. This is a schedule. We just have to teach our children what a schedule is.
Kaya hindi excuse na kung may cancer ang anak natin kahit nakakaawa, ay absuelto na sa schedule at sa mga patakaran. Lalo niyang mafe-feel na parang iba ako dahil ang disiplina para sa lahat. So gumawa ng schedule, discipline is for everybody. Kaya naman, 2 heads,